How to draw the Denver Broncos logo. We are going to start by drawing a long, slightly curved line in the middle of our page. Then to draw the ear of our Bronco, we are going to draw a diagonal line going up and to the left a little bit that then curves back down to the right. Awesome, now let's continue drawing a line going to the right a little bit more. Then from that we are going to draw the smallest line going downwards and then a longer line going to the right. Awesome job! Now we are going to draw the top part of the nose. For this we are going to start by drawing a curved line going down. Then we are going to draw a small diagonal line going down as well. Next, we are going to draw a short, wide C shape from that for the inside of the mouth. Then we are going to draw a line going to the left for the bottom part of the mouth. Next, we are going to draw a diagonal line going up and to the left from that. This will be the jawline. Looks great so far. Learn how to draw Hub Crew. We're almost all done with the first outline. Next, we are going to draw a small curved line going to the left. And after that, we are going to draw a long line going downwards. From the bottom of that where we left off, we are going to draw a diagonal line going up and to the left. Then we are going to draw an upside down slanted V shape connected to that with the point of the V going upwards. Next, we are going to draw a diagonal line going from that. Then we are going to draw a big curved line going upwards and around, ending near where the top of the point of the upside down V is. From that, we are going to draw another curved line. This one will be dipping downwards. On the edge of that, we are going to draw a sideways V shape that will be small. Then we are going to draw a curved line that dips downwards and then back up, following the one that we drew earlier. Awesome job! Learn how to draw Hub Crew. Now we are going to draw a diagonal line going up and to the left from that. Then connecting to this line with a zigzag, we are going to draw a long, slightly curved line. Awesome! Now we are going to draw a straight line connecting right here. Awesome job! Learn how to draw Hub Crew. Now we are going to draw a detail for the ear by drawing a small triangle, and then we are going to draw a small detail for the nostril, which will be a half circle shape. Great job! Learn how to draw Hub Crew. Next, we are going to draw the eye, which will be right here, and we will start by drawing a long, skinny V shape with the point going to the right. The top line of the V is going to be longer than the bottom one. Then to connect the lines of the V, we are going to draw an L shape. Awesome job! Now in the open space inside of that shape, we are going to draw a half circle connected to the top of the outline. Then in the very middle of that, connecting to the top of the outline, we will draw a small dot for the pupil. Awesome job! Learn how to draw Hub Crew. Our drawings are looking awesome. Next, we are going to draw the hair of our Bronco, and we will start by drawing a curved wavy shape going right here. Then starting at the right of that curved line, we are going to draw the same line below it, and then we are going to connect the two lines at the bottom with a straight line. Great job, Learn How to Draw Hub crew. Now we are going to draw right here another shape kind of similar to the one that we just drew. This one is going to curve the other way though. And again, we are going to connect these lines at the bottom with a straight line. Then to the left of that, we are going to draw another shape right here, which will be kind of like a curved triangle. Wow, Learn How to Draw Hub crew, our drawings look awesome. Now to finish off our logo and pull everything together, we are going to outline everything that we just drew. For the outline, we are going to stay close to the lines that we drew before. However, there will be some spaces where we just draw a straight line over it and we do not go into the small detailed parts. Hey, Learn How to Draw Hub crew, what's your favorite NFL team? Is it the Denver Broncos or is it a different team? Have we drawn your favorite NFL team's logo yet? If not, comment down below the NFL team logo that you want us to draw next so that we can draw it for you. Looking good so far, we're almost finished. Make sure to stick around until the very end to see our drawing all colored in. This is how to draw the Denver Broncos logo. Thanks for watching Learn How to Draw Hub. If you like this video, give it a big like below. And if you want to see more step-by-step drawing tutorials just like this one, be sure to subscribe. And if you want to see more logos drawn in particular, check out our logos playlist. Thanks for watching. See you again next time, Learn How to Draw Hub crew.
Hey, Learn How to Draw Hub crew. If you like videos like this one, then we highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button so that we can keep you updated on videos like this every single day.